Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Thermaltake Versa T26 TG ARGB with 4 split front mesh. So friends, Thermaltake launched the Versa T26 TG ARGB middle tower PC case, and friends, this case features mesh panels and tempered glass panels at important areas, and friends, the spectacular front panel is divided into 4 sections and features a diagonal arrangements of mesh and tempered glass panels, and friends, the top panel is made entirely of mesh while the left side panel is made entirely of tempered glass, combining outstanding cooling performance with beautiful components. And friend, on the front, 120 ARGB fan into 3 is provided, and friend, up to 7 units can be put on the front, 120 or 140 into 3, 120 or 140 into 2, and 120 or 140 into 1. And friend, additionally, the water cooled radiator can be mounted up to 360 in front, 360 in back, and 120 in middle. And friend, the two 2.5 inch or 3.5 inch side base and two 2.5 inch base with 7 expansion slot comprise the driveway arrangement. And friend, additionally, it enables vertical graphics card mounting. And friend, it accommodates a graphics card up to 380 in length, CPU cooler up to 175 in height, and an ATX power supply unit up to 200 in depth. And friend, the form factor is compatible with E-ATX, ATX, MicroATX, and Mini-ITX. And friend, the front IO has two USB 3.0 ports, audio input or output, and more. And friend, the external measurements are 225 in width, 485 in depth, 464.2 in height, and friend, it weighs about 8.21 kg. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.